In this video, we're gonna show you how to place the widget button on your website. You go to the Growth Tools, click New Tool, choose New Widget Button, insert the title, add the tag if necessary, choose the channel you want to connect, WhatsApp in our case, select flow we want to add, then put the keyword. Then we choose the form of the widget, its size and its location. And click next step. Now you have to follow two steps. First, you place GS code into the header of every page of your website, and second, you embed the code into the page where you want the widget to appear. It's gonna look like this. You go to your website and you place the head tags and you save. Go to clipboard and go back to the website platform you're working in, and now we're gonna embed the HTML code in the page you want the widget to appear, like this. Save. Again, it's a little bit messy here, but as soon as you insert this HTML code in your website, it's gonna look different. It's just an example.